Hey Digicians, we are exploring great solutions through which we can automate our business process working or we can set up our own digital business. In both ways, it is going to be beneficial. Either we can start earning money or we can start saving money. In this video, I have a very wonderful solution and it is face recognition attendance system. So the attendance system that is going to work using face recognition. So it is of course going to work with a mobile phone, and I'm going to show you the backend of this solution which is going to help the complete HR system of any organization, be it a small, big or even enterprise level. So I'll show you some screenshots and this will give you an idea. So new employee, the details of employee can be filled, and further employee can scan his or her face to make or mark attendance. So this is going to be a very clear and crisp solution through which you can start capturing perfect attendance, accurate attendance of your employee. And of course, so we are discussing about the digital solution. So you can offer this solution to your prospective client, and you can be a solution provider like a digital solution provider. Okay. So now this is going to work with a mobile phone, with Android or the Mac phone. I mean the iPhone, sorry, and everywhere where you want to use the application. So the application APK is available for Android and iPhone both. And the web application features are, it is using the Laravel framework and it has clean code and it can create employees management system are there, and the daily attendance system, monthly attendance system and official holidays can be managed here in this solution. So the face recognition attendance system offers a comprehensive attendance management solution within the application, and that is using a Flutter based application. So this technology works fine with all mobile phones, and you can simply set up this solution and start the capturing of attendance using the APK. I mean the app that is going to be installed for HR mobile or even employee mobile. So this is the backend of the solution, and it is very clear and crisp, and I'm going to give you a short overview of this backend so that you may get an idea how the system is working, how you can implement or use the system. So let us start, but before we start, I would like to welcome all new visitors on this channel, and I believe they are going to subscribe this channel and with the bell button, and I'm also thankful to all existing subscribers and regular visitors, and I welcome all the questions if you have anything in your mind about this solution or any other solution that is available on the channel. Okay, so to begin with, I am here at the dashboard, and it is showing the basic stats, what is going inside the system. So first of all, since it is a app-based solution, so we need to go for app setting, and app setting is going to be very clear and crisp. So it is going to be in just complete in just few clicks, and so like you can download the banner URL or you can choose the banner file, dashboard banner, and basic settings like enable birthday and lunch out and enable notice and the check password. So these are very basic things. And first of all, you can download the APK so that you may actually test the application. So you can download the APK using this link, and that is very available at the solution listing. And I must tell you, this is digital HR face recognition attendance system. This is going to work online, and the solution is available for $149 at codecanyon.net through the video description link. So all the links has been given in the video description itself. So please follow the video description links to get this solution for you, and it is being regularly updated, and the code quality is good, and it has been developed by HTML Design Templates, the team of HTML Design Templates, of course. So you can grab this solution as regular license, and it has got as of now 15 sales, but yes, it is going to work fine in future, of course. And you can check the APK, as I said, at your own device, so it is going to work. Okay, so this is the backend again, and the basic app setting is here, and all the things are going to be very clear and simple to use, so you don't need any technical skill for doing all these things. So APK download is here, and your APK is going to connect directly with the application, downloaded APK, of course. So the company detail can be filled, since it is going to be a white label solution. You can update your company details here, so it is simply editable, and you can similarly create new shifts. So how the shift is going to work, the timing of shifts, because this is basically attendance system, and you can make multiple shifts so that attendance may be recorded according to the shift that you have created. So shifts are editable, and it can be title, night shift, or the opening time, closing time, early check-in option, and can check in after how minutes are allowed for check-in, and early checkout is also available, and you can update the shift according to your company rules or organization rules. And next is department. So you can create unlimited departments as applicable for you, and you can further and update the department details. Like this is simple department name, nothing else. Employee. So this is very important, because only those employee can mark attendance whose details has been created. So you can simply create the employee by putting the basic idea, and in the demo version I cannot create new employee, but yes, I'll show you the fields. So employee setup can give you some fields, like you can fill the name, date of birth, email, mobile, and the shift that is going to be allotted to employee, and employee is going to mark their attendance according to the shift, address, and the department. Okay, it is again very simple. Users of this app who are going to use this app, so the backend users, it is not like for employee are going to connect with the app from the APK, I mean the application that has been installed to their mobile, and the users means this system users who are going to handle the solution. I mean, it can be HR persons or the administrators or so on. Attendance list is again very simple, so because this is marking the attendance, it is going to show the attendance list. So according to employee name and employee list, and the date filter is here, so you can filter the dates for which you want to check the attendance. And this is attendance, the check-in time, lunch in, lunch out, check out, leave, or attendance type. So you can further have check-in option, so you can mark the attendance from the admin panel itself if employee is somehow working from outside the or campus, or a mobile phone or whatever is not working. So manual attendance marking system is also here. Without application, I mean without mobile phone, the attendance can be marked. So it is very important. And checking time can be good, like this is checking time, and it is pulling the time automatically from the device. So checking time cannot be edited, so it is going to be accurate in all manners, so attendance is going to be marked accurately. So create attendance for employee is the option, like select employee and the date, select date, and similarly if attendance is being marked from the outside, it can be helpful, this form can be helpful. Similarly, lunch check-in and lunch checkout can be marked once the attendance or check-in is done, like lunch check-in can be done, and once there is check-in, lunch check-in can be there, and the lunch checkout can be there, and the leave and all such things can be there. So it can be handled through this edit options. Next, this is the main screen where you are going to mark the attendance or check the attendance. If employee has already marked the attendance, it will be visible here, and if admin or the HR person is marking the attendance, it is going to be visible here. Further, the reports can be there, and similarly attendance of the day. The next screen shows the leave type that can be created inside the system. So there can be multiple leave type, like this is one leave type, like vacation, so it is just a name. Employee leave. According to requirement of employee, that employee leave can be granted from the system, like this is a personal leave for S, and further details are here. So what is the status of leave, approved or disapproved, or leave type, H, paid, and the employee and all. So it is very simple. And the holiday list can be updated here for the notices for employee. So basically this is an app, and you are going to handle the solution from the backend, I mean from admin panel, and the app is going to work in every manner. So I'm sorry, I'm not showing you the app, but yes, you have option to check this app at your own, because until you are not testing, how you can satisfy with the system. So check this application at your own by installing the app at your device. If it works fine, you can start using this face recognition attendance system. And if you have any suggestion or query regarding this solution, write in the comment section of this video, and we are going to communicate the same with the developer as required. So I believe this is going to be a simple and perfect solution for marking the attendance using the face recognition, and it can be helpful for every organization. You can use this at your organization, or you can be a solution provider for this application. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for you, through which you are going to be a smart web user, or you are going to be a smart digital solution provider. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.